I got a problem with a Renegade. Loose steering. Now this is something I'm sure that many Can Am owners can relate to. She's real loose. It's real loose. So in order to fix that, I need to replace my upper steering stem bushing. Now the thing with that is the airbox has got to come off. And I've never done this job before, so I talked to my buddy Brian from Button for Part Numbers. If you get a chance, you should check out his channel. He said it's really not that bad a job. So obviously I got some of this stuff pulled off already. But like, look at this. This is like an archaeological dig. Like mud and muskeg, all from in here. This tiny little bracket here is held on by the bolt that holds this guy on, but it didn't want to move. Now, so once I finally got wiggling around with it, I was able to pull it back, and you can see the access for that nut. You can get in there with an extension, no problem. Let's go under here, show you where access to the nut is. Okay, so right here, there's a little clamp. Clamps onto the brake line. And right underneath it, that's where the nut is. You can get pretty good access just with a box end wrench, no problem. There's freaking stuff in the way, man. This sucks. Like, really sucks. To get these nuts off of here was tricky because it was all full of mud. Cleaned it all out. This side you got good access. This one here, not so much. Right where my finger is here on the other side, that's where the nut is. The bolt comes up through the bottom, and there's really not a lot of access to get a wrench in here. What I did was I loosened this piece off a bit, just took a couple of bolts out, just so I get a little access, and then I was able to use a stubby wrench, get it kind of positioned under here, got her off, zipped her right out. So before I proceed, we're going to pop off the handlebars, because the steering stem has to come out. So what I'm doing over on the left hand side is I'm going to remove the ECU bracket and everything. That's going to give me better access to pull the snorkels out. Okay, so you see the shock, you see the spring, I got one bolt sticking out barely. That's the bracket I took off. And then right here is the other part of the bracket. 2 screws, pop those babies out, you're good to go. That's the guy. Boom. Hope I can find that after. And then this guy. Oh, come on. There she goes. Then she can just hang down. Okay, where my finger is there, that's like a little post that this CVT exhaust is stuck on. So I think you pull that off. Oh yeah. Oh, something happened there. Woohoo. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. That should come right out the top there now. Wait. Look at this. And the worst part is it moves right up and down too. I got the clamp off here to the throttle body, and I cracked it loose. It was really sticky, really sticky. Let's see if I can get it out. Oh yeah. Come on, baby. Oh, this has got to come up. Hopefully I don't have to take that riser block off. What's going on in here? There's a hose I don't like. This hose here is hanging things up right now. Guess she's got to come off. It wouldn't be so bad if I could actually access the clamp easily. Why do they do that? Why? Why? Tell me why. Oh yeah, buddy. Haha. Success. You know, when you're taking something apart for the first time, you usually try to skip a couple steps. Yeah, I don't need to take that part off. But in the end, you usually need to take that part off anyways. So away she goes. Oh man. That transmission friggin' linkage is really not coming out the way I was hoping. So, do you take this piece off or what? my drill. Just got a little Loctite on her. Got to give her a good brap. Okay, we got the shifter out of the way. Ha-ha! Ha-ha! Airbox is out. Whew. Look at the stuff in there. Look what I found. That's a little spray nozzle off of a can. I lost that a while ago. Look at the crap in there. Oh my god. Those bolts are like rusted. Oh jeez. Uh-oh. We better cover up that throttle body. There we go. Don't want to be getting any stuff down in there. Jeez, let's look at this. Look at that. Oh my god. That is disgusting. Oh, check it out. Someone left me a donation. Sweet. I'm gonna eat those for lunch right now. We got a lot of cleaning to do, and we got to get the steering stem out and put the new bushing on. Now, reinstalling the airbox, I had some trouble lining up the intake boot with the throttle body. What I ended up having to do was tilt the airbox up and push it forward in order to get it to line up. And I gotta tell you, it was a bit of a struggle, and I was definitely getting frustrated, but I got her done. Okay. Oh yeah. Look at that. That's the thing about this MBRP, there's not a lot of clearance down here. No. Yes, you could use some cleaning up, that's for sure. I'm struggling, but I'll muscle it out. Oh, yeah, buddy. We got her. Probably could have loosened her up a little bit more, but I'm not patient right now. Look at this. This is a friggin' mess. But we're going to clean it up and do a repacking. Yes, we are. There's just the tube in there. No packing whatsoever. Repacking this muffler is pretty straightforward, and to be honest, I should have done this like a year ago. As a result, there's no packing left, and the core was bouncing around and damaged this aluminum piece in here. Hopefully it's not damaged too bad and I can still make it work. So I cleaned up the bumper and filled all the dents and scratches with body filler. Sanded it, primed it, 3 coats of paint, 2 coats of clear. We'll see how long it lasts. Looks better anyways. Now these cool taillights are made by my buddy Josh. Now it is a prototype, so there's a little bit of extra wiring right now. But you know what? They look really cool. Let's get serious for a second. Thank you so much for making it this far in the video. I really appreciate it. And you know what it tells me? is that you're interested to watch some of my shenanigans and the mistakes and the goofy things I do here in the shop. And if you're one of those people and you want to help support me, go to my website, adventuresthisway.com, order some merch. Huh. Huh. You know, sometimes when you're taking some...